Hi, so I hope that you were able to crack all those journal entries. Now, the journal entries that we just passed were most of them the accounting entries that are used by almost 90% of the companies. So, you have already passed the basic and intermediate skills of accounting. Now, let's take this course to an advanced level where we will start a company creation by scratch, and we are going to learn about more advanced accounting concepts that are outstanding expenses, incomes, prepaid incomes, and depreciation, reserves, and the most important part is analysis and reading a balance sheet. So we are going to create a company from a scratch, and yeah, we are going to reach to a level where we are able to create our own complete financial groups and own balance sheet and own financial report. Then we are going to help analyze those financial reports with the help of the ratios. And then we are going to compare our company with other companies with the help of the ratios. So yeah, let's now move forward. And here is the first question, that is company creation. So let's start by creating a company. Now that if you are wondering that you have some blurry understandings of those previous lectures, you don't have to worry about it, because we are going to cover those previous lecture more extensively in the upcoming lectures also. Yeah, so there will be more practice by practical learning only, so you don't have to worry about those blurry regions. And for those you have cleared those examples already a lot, it will be advanced level practice for you. Okay, so let's start by creating a company and opening the Tally. I have with me the Tally screen right here, where I'll go and click on work in educational mode, enter. It will ask us for Tally Vault password, which was created by us when we created the first company, that is 1234. Enter. Okay. Now that we want to shut this company and create a new one, then press, I'll choose Alt plus F1, F1 to shut this company. Okay, and then open a new one. So right here I have with me Alt plus F1. Initially we are going to go a bit slow, but then you don't have to worry. Once we gain that rhythm, we are going to move like a Ferrari. Okay, so yeah, Alt F1. Okay, now it says right here various options, which is select company, login as remote user, create company. So hence the hotkey for creating a company was Shift C to create a company, and yeah, Shift C to create company. Okay, and C to create a company. Okay, it is loading. Now you have to put the name of the company. Hence I recommend you put your own name. This right here is Alt plus F3 was to create. Okay, sir. Name is your full name, so that it will interest you more when we are done with all the financials. You can see your own name in the heading of every financial report. So yeah, but I'm going to create it like Beyond Milky Way. Beyond Milky Way. Enter. Mailing name is okay. Address is 9th Starline Road, Mumbai. Okay. Country is India and it is Maharashtra. Now I encourage you to feel free to choose your own country and own city, but it will not have any effect on our accounting purpose. And yeah, also choosing your own currency would help you make your interest more. Now we have to enter the pin code 022. Okay. Okay, so the pin code is 40021 022 235 4128 or 00021 022354128. Okay, let's see if it is okay. Yes, this is correct. Plus 9178541256. Plus 9178541256. 78541256. Okay. Now you can enter your own name and own telephone numbers and own directory. It doesn't really matter. What really matters is when we move on to the next part, that is this part right here. That is something that needs to be same. So you can imagine your own currency here. Suppose you live in USA, you can imagine dollar. Suppose you live in Europe, you can imagine euro. And yeah, so it really doesn't matter, but when you choose the currency symbol for your country, kindly choose your currency symbol. Okay, well, it will automatically choose, so yeah, you don't have to worry about that too. Email is okay. Email is accounts at the rate beyond milky milkyway.com. Okay, www.beyondmilkyway. Why do I always skip the K? I don't know. milkyway.com. Okay, and financial year begins from 1/4/18 to 1/4/18. Okay, 1/4/18. 18. You can use that. Wait just a second, I'll just show you. You can use a dot, or you can use a hyphen, or you can use a oblique whenever you want to create a date, whenever you want to write a date. Okay, so also if you want to skip the that 2000 part of that, I'll show you. If you want to skip that 20 part of any year, whenever you want to write 2019, you can choose to not write 20 and you can just write 19. It will automatically accept. Okay, so I'll show you right here to 1/4/18 and enter. 1/4/18 and enter. Okay, tally vault password is none, repeat password is none, user security is yes, and name of administrator is space 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 space. Forgetting password, yes sir. Use tally audit features. Let us click it yes for now. Enter. Disallow opening educational mode, no. Okay, base currency symbol will be automatically selected depending upon your country. You don't have to worry about it. Hence the company is created. Enter accept Y. Okay, space space. Okay, okay, okay. SAPCE PACE. Okay, so as you can see right here, I intentionally made a spelling error in the Tally Vault administrative name. So let us now change the company's info, which is by Alt plus F3. Okay, so you know what to do now. Alt plus F3, then go to alter, hence alter. Okay, click on alter, or you can just navigate to alter button. Beyond Milky Way. Okay, enter, 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 enter. I'll keep entering till the time I reach this space. Okay, space, space. Okay, So how do I go up? I go up by the up arrow keys, or I can use the backspace, or I can use the shift plus tab. So I'll just write it down for you, how to go to the previous tab. Okay, the first and the most favorable function is shift plus tab, or you can use the up arrow key, or you can use backspace. But the most favorable one is shift plus tab, hence always choose shift plus tab. Okay, as we have successfully created this company right here, hence we are done with the first part that says creating the company. Okay, so we'll carry on with the second part, which says create the accounting groups. Okay, so see you in the next lecture.